suppose we better fill up with fuel. Fairly decent trip tomorrow. Gonna get the trailer. So then we can actually start working on that proceeding. And amongst other things. So that'd be kind of good. Isn't that just pretty? Well, morning. And here. Let's see how we go. Won't go too far while the battery's disconnected. Well, that's a good start. Anyway, we've done all our pre-checks, oil and coolant and everything, so just fill out this logbook and let this warm up and we'll get on our way. Alrighty, here we go. And not film on the road, but you get the idea of what's in a driving a truck. That was the drive. Here's the trailer. Yeah, it should be alright, I hope. We've all got it all going, so there you have it. Now the fun begins, getting her home. It'll be a steady drive home, I think. So there you have it. Nice. Indicator problem continues, and it's not the trailer's fault. The truck's okay, but that cable that they supply with the truck's no good. Obviously a loose connection because the power seems to be getting there, but not to that end. So that's not what you really want. That's what happens when they decided to go for 24 volt instead of 12, when after all it actually really was 12. Oh well. Just wait for the air to build up and we will be off for reals this time. Yank. It's good to see you haven't gone anywhere. Nice little town, strange little town, fun little town. Let's have a look. I'll start it up and just have a look around it. Well, that's a bloody relief. Home. We're home. Oh my god. So that wasn't too bad, but yeah. I was probably very nervous about this trip, so good to get it out of the way. And we're home, no issues, so that's kind of good as well. Yeah, nothing hot. And so the trailer, yeah, just want painting. So when we get a chance, we'll be out with the sandblaster and yeah, paint it all. We'll sandblast it and paint it, probably white, I guess. And it'll look like a new one. Tidy up a few little issues like this. But yeah, it's actually, I don't think it's too bad. Not too bad at all. Should serve the purpose very well, I hope. On our truck trip, I saw some reaping barley, but this is not ready. I can still see green from here in the straw. Heads are getting close. Probably you can see it's not even turned over yet. But yeah, I'd say still a week away at best. Toy. Past those hay rolls. So no, definitely can't reap for a little while yet. We've got time to get the header ready still. So that's good. But anyway, while we wait, we'll just watch the prices go down as the harvest pressure comes on. Nothing like that. Like easy. That's out of the weather. So we're apparently going to get an inch of rain, something like that. So this will be really good next year. Well, providing we actually get the bin. Just pull in and seeding. Beautiful. Wonderful. Alright. Morning. Things we do of a Saturday morning. 4 in the morning, we're off to town to save a spot for the pageant. I've never been, but yeah, mainly for the children, so wish me luck. Nice and just nice. That's a wrap. Well, they said we got a storm, and we really have. That was incredible. I wonder what it's like at home. My word, that is unbelievable. Reports of hail. Did we see any damage? Don't think so. Don't think so, thankfully. Actually, this is still bloody green. This will be ages before it's ready to read. This is an interesting point of difference in this corner where it didn't get the proper rust spray. You can see how black it is. And yeah, wow, what a disaster that would have been. The heads are sort of hard. Yeah, got in the all shriveled up grains. See here on the edge, bloody hell, if we hadn't sprayed it, I reckon it shriveled up. So that's what we were protecting. My God, wow. Oh, well, we've had even more rain now. What is it, bloody, took out an inch, a bit over an inch, 26 mil or something when we come home. We've had a bit more rain this afternoon, but we better go and feed these sheep some hay. I wasn't too keen on going through that water there. I don't know. I know that's very clay based. I don't particularly want to get the old tractor stuck. It has happened before. 2-wheel drive. Anyway, we'll go and see how these sheep are faring. Those leaden skies filled with more water, but there's sun. So there's that too. To find your way to the driver's seat, did you? So Kate's asleep. You're off working, eh? So we better load up. We got a chance to get the chemical there for our crop topping of the canola. Well, I reckon we're getting close. They're always a hard one to judge, but anyway, we got our Weed Master approved. Because you can't use generic Roundup, although it's always changing, of course. So I guess one day we might be able to, but or not. Anyway, we're going to take this up and drop it off for perhaps later in the week. Come on, watch! Don't wreck the ute. Don't, whatever you do, wreck the ute. There you have it. Weed Master, then we'll put a bit of Pyramore and Perimacarb and a little bit of Trojan with it too, I guess. That's what all the cool kids are doing, so I suppose we better do it too.